Othman. I'm the chairman of Anaconda Asia Group, and our company involved in the power system integration that provides solutions for data centers, hotel, hospitals, and we also involve renewable energy and energy efficiency solutions. So I came here before. There was an invitation to come to PIF to hear the talk, and for the other forms of awareness from social media as well. And when I look at it, it's quite relevant to what we are going through. Actually, I came here as a guest. Now I'm going to be a member. So, looking at our company performance and growth, we do have the desire to list the company, and PIF does have the right structure, process, and ecosystem to help company be listed. So that's the reason why. So the services that the advisory towards the listing of the company is, I think, is very, very good. The different ways of listing, the different types of listing. So this is something that kind of entice us to see, because our company is growing, and I think it has to be guided in the right manner so that it can be listed in the right manner as well. Yes, it happens a lot. The CEO Secret Lab, really touches on questions that we wanted to ask, but we don't have the answer. Now we have the answers clarified. The pitching, of course, getting the question asked about the pitching that we do. So this helps us develop our confidence of the company we are going to, and of course understand better what are the pitfalls, the risks, the challenges, and of course the advantage of all these processes to IPO the company.